In this video, we are going to create a new simple viral thumbnail for YouTube videos. Also, for those graphic designers who don't have enough files for creating YouTube thumbnails, I have a free gift for them at the end of this video. Let's start cooking. The subject for this thumbnail is Ali Abdul, a famous YouTuber. By using the Photoshop subject selection, I selected the subject, and by laser tool I fixed the selection back. I make it mask and add it to the main project and adjust its scale. By adding the background image, applying a Gaussian blur for blurring the background, and adding an exposure adjustment layer for make it dark. Opening the subject mask and fixing the masking and refine the subject edge. If you like these types of video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to have soon receive notified from every new single videos. Create a new layer, select the subject background light source color by grabbing brush and clicking for adding green light and also one white light. Easily create a new layer, make it mask to the subject, grab your brush with the white foreground color and start brushing around the subject. Download a grow up file from the web and easily drag it to your project. Adjust its scale. You can use from magic tool for erasing the white part of image like this. Fix its position and put its layer behind the subject layer. Grab your laser tool, make a selection has the path of growing like this. Create a new solid color adjustment layer and choose green color because green color shows the positive way and a grow up way, and change its blending mode to soft light. Duplicate the solid color adjustment layer, change its blending mode to the linear dash add. After that, grab your brush and decrease the flow up to 8 or 9. Check the foreground color must be white and start brushing on the mask for adding glow. Create a new curve adjustment layer and drag the highlight line to the down for making the background dark. Type your text, adjust its scale and apply that effect which it looks better for your text on the thumbnail. It is time for seeing the final result. You need to know that it's too much simple viral thumbnail. If you want to know too much about creating YouTube thumbnail, check my other videos about it. And if you want to download these free package files, make sure to watch this video which is coming at the left side of the screen. See you soon on my next video.